Welcome back to Inferno Tech. If your Windows 11 is taking too long to start, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll guide you through 5 powerful fixes to speed up your startup and get your PC running smoothly again. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Disable startup apps. Our first fix is disabling unnecessary startup apps. When Windows starts, a lot of programs launch automatically in the background. Things like Spotify, Discord, or update checkers don't need to run right away, but they still slow your boot time. Here's what you need to do. Right-click on the taskbar and open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab. You'll see a list of all programs that launch during startup. Look for apps that are marked Enabled but are not essential. Right-click and choose Disable. This doesn't uninstall the app. It just prevents it from loading when your PC boots. You can still open it manually whenever you need it. Your system will load much faster. Step 2. Turn off visual effects. Next, let's reduce Windows' fancy visual effects. Windows 11 has smooth animations and transitions, but these effects use system resources and can make startup feel slower, especially on older or lower spec machines. Here's how to turn them off. Press Windows R, type system.cpl, and hit Enter. Go to the Advanced tab, and under the Performance section, click Settings. You'll see a list of visual effects. The easiest option is to choose Adjust for Best Performance, which disables all unnecessary effects. If you want a balance, you can leave smooth fonts and window thumbnails checked, but turn off the rest. This makes the system feel much snappier, not only at startup, but during everyday use as well. Step 3. Enable Fast Startup. Step 3 is enabling a hidden feature called Fast Startup. Here's how to enable it. Open the control panel. Go to Hardware and Sound, Power Options. On the left, click Choose what the power buttons do. Then click Change Settings that are currently unavailable. Under Shutdown Settings, check the box Turn on Fast Startup. Click Save Changes. From now on, your system will boot significantly faster. Just keep in mind that sometimes fast startup can interfere with dual boot setups, but for most users, it works perfectly. This option makes your PC boot faster by saving some system information to a file when you shut down. Then, when you start your PC again, Windows loads that file instead of starting completely fresh. Step 4 is cleaning temporary files which pile up over time and can really slow your PC down. Here's how to do it manually. Press Windows plus R, type temp, press Enter. A folder will open, delete everything inside. Press Windows plus R again, type %temp% and delete all files in that folder as well. Finally, press Windows plus R, type prefetch and delete those files. If you see a message saying some files can't be deleted, just skip them. It's completely normal by clearing them. Step 5. Update Windows and drivers. The final step is making sure your Windows and drivers are fully up to date. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues, crashes, and slower startups. Here's what you should do. Go to Settings, Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. Install everything available. Next, open Device Manager by pressing Windows plus X and selecting it. Look for key drivers like display adapters, storage controllers, and network adapters. Right-click each one and choose Update Driver. Updating both Windows and drivers ensures that bugs are fixed, performance is improved, and startup speed remains optimized. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Inferno Tech, and share it with your friends who also struggle with slow PCs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.